I would have never thought winter could be this invigorating. As a Dutchie who is used to grey and wet winters, living here in a winter wonderland has often felt like a dream, and I know it's not for everyone. In fact, I feel more people prefer warm and sunny weather over snowy winters, but for me, I feel this is the season in which I feel most alive. I must admit though that when the temperatures hit below minus 22 degrees for a period of time, I wasn't too excited. Going outside felt like a heroic act, too heroic for me, so we decided to come up with a "it's freezing cold, let's stay inside" project, which resulted in renovating our main cottage bedroom. I'm a big believer in creating a home that feels good and inspires us to do the things we love, so that's what I wanted this space to feel like in the end. And even though we knew that this upgrade would make it look so much better, we are impressed with how much better we feel when we enter the room. So the owners of this house already did an amazing job on the rest of the house, except for this room, because they didn't really have time or energy left to finish this bedroom. So we decided to do it ourselves. We stripped everything, we painted the wooden panels, we sanded the floor, and we also created this cute little nook to sit back and relax. At least that's the plan, but we almost never do that except after a workout, because this is also our workout room. It's perfect for that because it's kind of large and it's way colder than the rest of the house. And it already had a pull-up bar, which has been here for already 30 years. How cool is that? I'm really into creating all kinds of workouts to keep my motivation high, so I have collected a great range of equipment over the years to help with that. It's nice to have everything nearby whenever I want to exercise, but I don't like to have them stored out in the open like in the type of workout rooms celebrities have. This room is not done yet because I am in the process of creating a large painting on this big wide chimney unit over here. But I must admit, this project is a bit daunting for me. I have been working on some ideas already, but as I was putting my ideas into paint, I found myself getting frustrated quite a bit. Since painting is not a medium I'm really good at, I caught myself judging my work non-stop. When this happens, I'm in this constant battle of wanting to give up on what I'm creating because it doesn't look anything like what I hope it would look like. But I forced myself to keep going because the only way to get better at it is to keep trying. But man, it's such a mind struggle. In my previous video, I talked a bit about blockers and how they can have such a big impact on our actions. For me, the emotions that block me the most are for sure the ones that have to do with judging myself and my work. It's never as good as I would like it to be, but it helps me to be aware of this, which enables me to go against them when they arise. I found that for others, self-judgment is a big one as well. But when guiding people in my one-on-one Get Unstuck sessions, the main blockers almost everyone mentions are lack of time and lack of energy. They often have so many things they want to be doing, but after they're done with their 9 to 5, there are a whole lot of other to-dos that need to be checked off first. So time for themselves to do something for the fun of it seems so limited. And when they finally have the time, they're often too tired to do the things they want to do. It just breaks my heart when I hear this because time is all we have and what we don't have. And I don't have all the answers to solve this and everyone's different. But what helps me is I try to figure out by looking at my week and how I can organize it differently. I want to figure out what I need to do differently because first of all, I need to see how I can create more time, and secondly, how to schedule time for myself based on my energy levels. Once I know that, for example, from 7 to 8 in the morning, I have the most energy and negative thoughts are less present than evenings, I make sure to use this time for learning or exercising, or doing something that brings me joy. I'm not saying this is possible for everyone, but there are often more ways than you think to find and block some time when your energy is still high enough. Another major influence on our energy levels and our mood in general are the spaces we live in. And the way our homes influence our well-being is something I never take for granted. And cottage life in this winter wonderland has had a therapeutic effect on me and the way I prioritize my time and my energy. And renovating this bedroom has done so much for the way we feel when we're in it. Therefore, I thought the title Cottage Therapy was fitting for this video, because when we spend the time on creating a home that feels good and creates spaces that we actually want to be in, it makes it a hell of a lot easier to do the things we want to do. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you feel excited about exploring for yourself how your schedule and your home could help you in doing more of the things you love doing without too much stress and without too much judgment. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you for the next video. Bye!